Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want better control over how elements are arranged in your design, Canva's layers feature lets you manage what appears in front or behind, just like in professional design software. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use layers in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into your account, open the design you want to edit. Layers work in any design type, okay? So click on the elements you want to adjust. So let's choose, for me, I want to choose a design that I've already done before, okay? So, so now, click on the element you want to adjust, okay? So make sure it's highlighted. You must select an element to change its layer. So in the top toolbar, choose one of the options, okay? Forward, backward, to front, to back. So forward moves the elements up on one layer, backward moves the elements down one layer, to front brings it to the very top, to back sends it to the very bottom. So this controls what appears in front or behind. So to view all layers, click position in the top toolbar, okay, and click the layers tab. You will see a list of all elements, their stacking order, grouped elements, and the top of the list is the frontmost layer, okay? So open the layers panel, click the drag and elements, move it, up or down in the list. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.